Hey, Sam here. Welcome to Moon Pixlar. Now, I'm excited to show you this software today. It's a really cool image software, and it's great for people that don't know how to do design very well. Like me, I'm not the greatest at Photoshop. I'm not the greatest at creating images, but this software makes it really easy to do just that. So if you're an owner of a website, creation software, you need graphics for your websites or your sales pages, this will give you the ability to do it. If you're looking to, advertise over Facebook, this will allow you to grab some really cool templates and advertise over Facebook and create images quickly. It'll allow you to do logos, custom graphics, any sort of online graphics you could think of. This software makes it really easy. So I encourage you first of all to go down below, check out all of the bonuses that are available when you get access. There is also a coupon code if you're early to get access. And join me now for a quick demonstration of how the software works and how you can actually create an image inside of the software. So what I've done is I've decided to go through all of these different design types step by step. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an ad image, then I'm going to show you a social media image, then a website header. Actually, I'll show you social media first. So we're going to organize a Facebook post. Now you can choose from Twitter posts, Pinterest posts, YouTube channel art. All of that is available through the system, and they have templates for everything built into the system. So I'm going to do a Sam Becker image. Let's go. All right, so this is the editing section. This is where all of the magic takes place, basically. It's where you edit your images. It's sized to depending on what your selection is, it's sized to that selection. So on Facebook, this is the type of post you can post through Facebook. It's the correct size. You can choose from a range of different templates to start off with, or if you want to, you can start off from a blank canvas. So you can see here, you can work your way down, choose graphic images that suit your needs the best, and there's literally hundreds of these. If you get access to the pro features as well, you'll find that there's even more that you can actually search through and use that are pre-built templates to help you to write quotes, use quotes. You can use this with your clients, and as you can see, I'm still going. I could go on for probably a good 5 minutes searching down the page. So let's just grab a random image here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete some of these components because I don't need them. So I'm going to delete this, delete this, delete this, and this is the background image. I can add a new background image, change this as I want, or I can delete these other components and edit it. So you can see here, it's a really easy editor to use. I could resize these images if I wanted to, and I can even go ahead and add a new background if I wanted to as well. So I'm just going to leave the background white for now. I'm going to delete anything else that's on it that was relating to my template, and I'm going to actually create a brand new image for myself. So first of all, I have a new product coming out. It's coming out later on. You may have heard about it. It's called Social Pop. I'm going to add an image with my face on it to advertise Social Pop. So let's grab a image that I created earlier. Okay, we'll do that. And I'm just going to resize this down. And we'll put it over, and as I've said, I'm not very designy. I'm going to think where I could put this to make it the best. Now I'm going to grab some image or a image, and I'm going to use one of these images here. So we could add a Facebook image down here, and I can put some text inside of it and say, for example, I'll put a share button up here as well, and we could say, for example, put some text in it, and we'll say, I'll just delete that, I don't want that. We could say in here, launching 24th November, mark it on your calendar. We'll move this around, launching, mark it on your calendar. We'll just adjust this to make it look a bit better, and we can put that here. All right, so it's a Facebook image. It's going to stand out for people. They're going to see it. I'm going to drag this down here, and I'm going to resize it so it covers this bottom part here, and I'm going to put like a share button or a share image down here. So I'm getting, I guess, quite in depth. We'll put some small text in here, and we'll say, submit or sign up, basically. Sign up. We'll drag this in here, and as you can see, I'm kind of building out my image here. So now let's put some text up the top, some big text. All right, and we could say Social Pop, and I've got a Social Pop logo. I could add that into the top. I'll add that into the top in just a second, but Social Pop launching 24th November. And we'll add this up here, Social Pop. We'll adjust the color a bit because I want it to really stand out. So we'll just go ahead and adjust this color. We'll make it probably a more darker color, not too black, not fully black, but probably a blackish color. Go like that. We can adjust the size of this as well, so we can increase the size up here, we can drag it down here, and you're sort of starting to get the picture right now. Now we can put, if we wanted to, our logo here, we could put some other information. I might just put in a shape or two. So you can put in some buttons, some arrows, some objects, some different bits and pieces around here. We'll have a look what they've got on offer here. So we've got a number of different options here. We've got Twitter, we've got a play button. We can put in a play button, and we can put that, for example, over here, just for no reason whatsoever. So you can sort of see there's a lot of different options that are available within the software, and you can customize campaigns as you want. So let's go and add some more text. We could say, for example, sign up to the waiting list, http://socialpop.io, and we'll enlarge that. We'll just enlarge this right now. We'll change the color a bit, so it's a bit of a black color, and we can make this a blue color if we wanted to as well. We'll just adjust this as we want here. We can change the background as well to make it a bit more standoutish. That's quite standoutish. You're not going to get too much more out there than this, so we'll make this white as well. So you can sort of see we're starting to build out, our image, and you'll be able to play around with this as you want, but it is very easy to customize bits and pieces as you'd want. And we could add different images, we could add different shapes to the background, we could add banners if we wanted to the background, like this for example, and add this up the top, drag this down a bit, and we could say, hey, launching, and we could put the 24th up on this date, and we could put maybe sign up for, or the link, the URL. Up here we can put some text. We'll go medium text, we'll add this in here, add our text in there, socialpop.io, we put this up here, and we're starting to build out, a bit of an image, as you can see right here. So sign up for the waiting list. I could then drag in, add my social pop image to this page, and we're just customizing my images as we kind of want. So you can see here you can have a play around with it and create your own images through Facebook, which look really cool, easy to use, and the results are quite cool as well. We could even put a wee new symbol here. We could change the color of that new symbol. We could change it to like a yellow color so it stands out, and we could put new over it. So there you are. We're sort of building this out, and you're seeing right now what kind of an impact it can make. So put here, we'll put new, drag this out here, and there we go. All right, so you can kind of see how we're doing this, and then what we can do is we can actually preview what it will look like on Facebook. So we can actually have a look at what it's going to look like on Facebook. What does our preview image look like? There it is right there, and we can start continuing to build. And as you know, I'm not the greatest in design, but this software, with a bit of time and a bit of learning, the graphics are going to get better and better, and this is what you can do within the space of a few minutes as I'm on this video for you. So imagine what you can do down the track. So already it's starting to stand out, and we can keep on building our image that's going to be updated into Facebook. When we're ready, we can then save and export our image. We can click save. We'll export our image. It's going to save into either, we can download it. It's going to export into a PNG or a JPEG file as we want them, and we can upload them to Facebook as we want. We could do this for clients of ours. You could do this for your own business. It'll pop up like this. And there you go, you've got your image to post onto Facebook. So really quite quick and easy to do, and you can experiment with a range of different backgrounds. Now let's go back, because I've got a number of different sections of the software that I want to show you. You've got ad images, so you can customize different already sized for you ads over Facebook. Click to website ads, so click to website ads. We can add these, let's go. And here we are. We can add these as we want. So we've got this ad here, we've got this that we can customize off, or if we wanted to, we could customize our own Facebook ads. So we could grab one image like this, we could go and edit it, we could say social pop, socialpop.io, coming soon. Then we can fade this if we want to. So it's all really quite easily and customizable. So we'll just go this, 40, we'll go 40 for example, 40, we've got our image opacity up, and we can change this background image if we want to as well. we could change this, we could change this, we could change it to this, change to this. There's so much flexibility with this. There really is a range of, there's no limits to what you can do with this system. So you could do this for, different niches, and a lot that can be done through this system. All right, so you're getting a feel for what this software can do. You probably understand now whether this is the type of software you could use. You can use this, as I said before, on your web pages, sales pages, all of that. Now what I want to do is I just want to go through the different templates that are available for these different options. So these are banner ads already resized for you. You can choose from a range of different banners that are available through the system. You can customize and change all of this. Again, drag and drop, really easy to use. We'll go back again. And then you've got 3 custom graphics, which is any sort of graphics, right? You can use, any sort of, you can add your own basically. It's a blank canvas, nothing's added. You can just edit this as you want. You can resize this canvas as you want as well up here. So you could, adjust the height, you could adjust the width, make it bigger, make it smaller, do whatever you want with this canvas here, and adjust that as you would like to. Now we've got our business logos. The logos are really quite cool. There's a number of different variations of logos. You'll be able to see some of these, but you can choose from a range of different templates and edit them as you want. You can edit the components, edit the images, add your own images, and customize your own cool looking logos through this system as well, through the templates that they give you. There's some tech related ones, there's some photography related ones, you've got some launch related ones, you've got offline business type ones, and you'll be able to create your own logos through this system and just adjust the fonts. All of the fonts that you see, all of the images, the colors, they're all usable through this system, and you can customize them as you want to look like a particular image combination. There's even some training in here as well, with information about how to design through this system, what types of designs you could be looking to do, where you can find inspiration, where you can find the right colors. And we've got infographics or catalog type designs which you can create through the system. So you're probably getting a feel for now what this could be used for. So if you see this, you like what you see so far, I can tell you that the system is really easy to use, even for someone like me who has no clue when it comes to design. So if you're looking for a design software that's easy, it's flexible, usable, you'll be able to have many different applications for the ads you create. You can create Facebook ads, you can create Twitter ads, you can create all sorts of ads through this. Then this is a software that'll do the trick for you. And it's such a low price, it really is a bargain of a software. You could pay $197 for a software like this easily, and probably get a lot of value and feel like it was really worthwhile. So the price that these guys have listed this for, I personally think that it's a really good option for you if you're looking for design software. And a design software is really a must these days. If you don't want to spend money on designers, then hey, invest in this, do it yourself, or get an outsourcer to do it through the system, and it's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So thank you for listening. Go down below, check out all of the bonuses down below, and once again, thank you. And this is Sam Backer. I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.